Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 40i and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the personalization. Now let's look at the wallpaper section, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got our gallery, the online wallpapers which you can download, and the static wallpapers which are pre-installed. So let me choose something from the static wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some pre-installed options. So in order to check the preview we have to simply tap on the wallpaper, and as you can see it will appear at on the full screen. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on set, and right now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.